Hi, my name is Elon Alonso, and I am the founder of Sunbeam Career Development. We are a learning and development organization with the help of myself as a program manager and a software development developer. We create the opportunity of bridging the gap between education and employment through career development. Today, we are seeking an angel investor to provide seed funding of 500,000 at 5% equity to increase the impact that we have in Guyana. You see, Sunbeam Career Development started from the challenges that I faced in the navigation of from my education to my employment. I decided to do some research and found that I was not alone. In fact, the confidence that I lacked was shared in so many youths. What I found is that 35.6% of youth are not in education, training, or employment, and that's because they lack the confidence and also the access, offering, and alignment when it comes to the resources that are necessary to help to bridge the gap. What we have seen is that with the limited resources already available, youths lack the opportunity to access them. Even with those who are able to access this opportunity, the offering is not specific to their needs and the services are not aligned to the solutions and the opportunities that are out there in the market that they must be able to access if they are to be able to bridge this gap. Even more importantly to this issue is that in our population, 26% are youth. And if we see them as the future, then it is necessary for us to provide the necessary skills development and empowerment for them to be the best that they can. What Sunbeam offers is a remote learning opportunity to and access from any place and at any time, while offering personalized services that directly meets their needs and wants. We began specifically with our client base in mind when we executed research on 1,140 youth in the Caribbean to find what opportunities are there to increase employability and mitigate unemployment. The findings of these we took and we organized it into several different training operations that saw the enrollment of over 100 youth having for the first time being trained and offered employability skills. Listening to them, we found that there was a need for something sustainable, something that can help them at any time and at anywhere. And with that, we created our Sunbeam Career Jumpstart package. This is an e-product that can be accessed to youth and provides a self-service mechanism that allows them to not to wait for opportunities, but in fact to create them. What we want to do is to launch further in our operations through the development of 2 more courses that will help to increase impact. In fact, we want to look to impact at least 300 Gen Zs and develop an app to have access on the palm of their hand. To do this, we want to ensure that we can market our programs and to create strong partnerships to maximize our imprint. Our business model is one of an online platform that suits the needs of customers and clients through a paid membership access that allows them to access our e-products, which have been constructed through a mixed learning platform and has seen some networking and partnerships with youth who are high performing and unable to offer solutions to the specific needs and experiences of youth. Our go-to-market strategy is customer-centric. Our customer is the Gen Z, and every operation that we do has them in mind in terms of their particular needs, characteristics, and expectations. For that, our system will be based on convenience and self-service to provide a seamless access and also independence in the use of our product. To market to them, we will utilize beta testing to ensure that we're particularly catering to their needs and wants, and we will increase our reach to them through the platforms that they utilize, which are social media. Our products will be aligned and branded towards being accessible, affordable, and customer centric. Moreover, these are the mechanisms that we will use to increase our conversion rates in the market and to ensure that not only do we have a product that impacts, but a product that is effective and is seen as the go-to for our Gen Z population. In this, we ensure that as we enter the market, we provide prices that are affordable, but at the same time, offer high alignment and access. To do so, we beat our competitors through the offering of a no cap on our services, which means that any amount of clients can access us. Our remote accessing also allows them to get us from any place or at any time. Moreover, we are different because we provide personalized service through coaching and also resume writing and other services that they see as complementary to their career development. Moreover, we focus on building our base of youth who understand and has experiences similar to our clients that will help to provide specifically to their needs. As we build our platform, we have set it so upon a unit economic profitability per customer of 66.9%. Our platform being that of low overheads and being run on an online system offers economies, offers scalability that other competitors do not have, which gives our investors and those who have a stake an increased opportunity for profitability. As we look to grow, we set ourselves at a mark of 10%, of which we we will regulate according to our accountability methods of in website invoice and expense tracking, along with continuously fact checking that we are meeting the needs of the client. What we need now to move further is $500,000 and an angel investor to help us to provide the expertise and the knowledge that we need. We need to begin with the end in mind, and we need you to come on board with us. Come and help us to provide a solution to a national problem and to provide empowerment to youth in Guyana. Thank you.